Hey guys, today we got a 99 Polaris Diesel 455 and a 96 Arctic Cat Bearcat 454. We're gonna have a little fun today. We're gonna tow a 2,600-pound trailer and see how these do. Let's check them out. So yeah, I just wanted to see, which one of these is gonna pull better, gas versus diesel. I chose these two because, well, they're the closest in engine size as I have anyways. Like I said, 455 versus 454, very close. The 99 diesel, that weighs 755 pounds and it's rated to tow 1,225 pounds. Check this thing out a little bit. It's a bigger machine. It's a little bit bigger than the Arctic Cat as far as the size of it. This has independent rear suspension versus the Cat has a solid rear axle, which independent is gonna squat more when we load it up, when we load all that tongue weight up on it. But that's that machine. As you can see, the tires aren't very good, but I don't think it's going to be traction. I think it's going to be power, because we're going to have a lot of tongue weight on it. And here's the 96 Bearcat 455. This thing weighs 585 pounds, so it's quite a bit lighter. And it's rated to tow 1,050. So it's rated to tow a little less. One good thing about the Cat is we have a standard transmission with high and low range, a 5-speed with high and low range. The diesel, Polaris Diesel, is actually CVT drive, belt driven, so that's kind of a downfall, I would think, versus gear to gear. But anyways, let's check out our trailer here. This is a 16-foot mid-Atlantic equipment trailer. This thing, it's heavy. It's weighs about 2,600 pounds, I believe. It's heavy. I mean, I feel it in my pickup. It's very heavy. So these things should not be towing it, but I'm gonna just to see and just to say they can or they can't. We'll find out. But let's get into it. All right, let's hop on the Bearcat 454, 1996. I got it in low range. Gonna start out in first gear, obviously, and we'll see how she does. We'll see. Full throttle, a little bit of spin, a little bit of front tires coming off the ground. Now we did hit 5th gear. That surprises me. The speedometer says like 25 miles an hour, which I'm pretty surprised. We're slowing down a little bit now, but this thing pulled it in 5th gear, low range, obviously. But hey, that surprised me. All right, so I got big hope. Oh yeah, I'm in 4th, but no power. I got big hopes for that diesel. I'm hoping it'll, at least surpass this thing, but we'll find out. I know that thing does feel gutless. It's got good torque, but we'll see. We'll see. Make sure I put it in the same spot as I had this. Should be able to tell because I did some digging here. Yeah, right here. All right, we'll hook the diesel up. Now, one thing that, see the suspension squatting? The Arctic Cat has a solid rear axle, where this has got the independent, so your the tongue weight is going to be affected a lot by the independent. So let's give her a whirl. All-wheel drive, low range. Ready? We'll go. Full throttle right there. Not bad. A little sluggish off the line, but picking up speed now.
The speedo doesn't work on this, so we'll have to rely off the GPS. Wow. Wow, this is full throttle. We are blowing black smoke, but not going very fast. Wow. That Arctic Cat pulled it better. Of course, this is belt driven. That is, you know, that has a very low geared transmission when you got it in low, but this is full throttle right here. It's not impressive. It will do it, but this doesn't do it fast, I guess. Wow. Not overly impressed with the diesel, but I still love this thing, and I wouldn't sell it for anything. Yeah, I'm just curious. We're going on an uphill slope here. It does take off, but it just, you know, you can probably pull anything. It's just a matter of how fast you want to pull it. But there it is. I would not recommend pulling that much weight with either one of these machines. Oh my goodness. Check out that sag in that rear suspension. The tires are going just like this. There's not much left there. It's way too much tongue weight. Like I said, this is way too heavy for either one of these machines. I just wanted to see what they would do. And hey, if you guys like the video, check out my other ones. They'll be right here. Alright, thanks for watching.